Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimitri. So today we're going to talk a bit about routing in ASP.NET Core. So in this scenario, I have this version .NET 6. So whenever you create a new controller, a ASP.NET is going to give you this routing by default. So API slash controller. In this scenario, I have this products controller, and then I have this method, which is an HTTP GET request. And I'm going to call this data, basically bring me all the notebooks from a table, which is right here. So this is not really relevant, but this API is basically getting some items from this table. So in order to call this method, I'm going to have to append this API slash products because products is the name of my controller. So if I hit Control F5, so I'm going to type slash API slash products. That's going to give me all the data from the notebooks, right? So that's basically my get method here. So if I do something different here, so if I try to add a different word to this routing, so I'm going to say, okay, hello slash controller. So this is a way you can route this. So now it's not going to be API slash products. Notice if you actually hit enter, there's no data anymore. So what you're gonna have here is a hello slash products. Now you're routing this in a different way. So you could also get this method name into the URL. So how do you do that? So if you want to append this, you have to type slash action inside curly brackets, and then that's going to be your new route. So let's try to see if that works. So action slash action, which is actually my method. So get products. Now it's giving me some sort of issue. Get products. So let's try to run this again. Maybe it's just a caching issue. Let's try to run that route again. Control F5. Then I'm gonna go to slash hello slash controller and then slash get products, and that's supposed to give me all the data. So that routing is working now. So I included this on top of the products controller. So there's a different option here. So you could work with this routing attribute also on top of the controller, sorry, of the method. So get products. I'm gonna have this route get slash notebook. So this is going to be a really long routing, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to test it. Okay, so have this hello slash controller slash action, which is the method, and then a slash get, and then a slash notebooks. So it's going to be the new way of calling this controller. So if you notice, it's giving me all the data. So let's try to do something different. I'm going to try to get rid of this. So no routing here on top of the API controller. And then I'm just going to have this new route slash notebooks. Okay, let's just go back here and let's see how it's what's the new way of calling this controller. So I don't have this first part anymore. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. And then I'm gonna have this new route slash notebooks. That's going to be the new way of calling this controller. So let's see if it works, and it actually works. So that's basically a way to work with this routing attribute. So let's just try something else just to test it out. So my route. So no slash, no nothing here. So let's try to see if that works. So what I'm gonna have here is, let's try to run this again. I'm going to have a slash my route, and that's it. That's all I need to call my get products method. So now it's working. So that's basically the way it works on ASP.NET. And if you guys go to program.cs, you're gonna have the default option that they have for you here. So controller slash action and slash ID. This is an optional value. So you guys could change this, but that's not the purpose of this video. Just wanted to show you how it's set up. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.